Well, in addition, what is perception in artificial intelligence? Talks about interpretation, acquirement, selection, and the organization of the sensory information that is captured from the real world and that stimulates attention, absorption, and the NLP, the natural language processing, and the toolkit all come to prioritize the very concept of AI implementation and the very easy to learn at, written in Python, and has a big community behind it to its reflection. In addition, it talks about one of the nicest applications about self-driving vehicles, automated recommendations through the live example of Netflix, and the computer translation activates machine language implementation incorporated through AI. The creation of AI requires algorithms, documentation, ground truth, the annotation, the teaching, the iteration, and the repeat. All the programming segment reflects on the phonics loops through iteration, the ground truth of documentation, algorithms, and the flow charting at times reflect on getting the best out of it. The objective is to learn about, the goal is saving time, machine language, and the learning as all implementation creates more highly trained specialist, not an all knowing being. And the reflection talks about being ethical, aiding humans, not replacing them, and attaining a symbiotic relationship for betterment. One should not fear AI rather than explore AI. Should be the fees, should be the spectrum, should be the modulation. And learning about AI, the very purposeful reflection targets the very purpose is to harness intelligence and actions to maximize success. And it may relate to learning modules of notification on grounds of learning, on grounds of satisfaction, on grounds of reflection, to per se, to reflect on the human intelligence with modulation of learning, to learn as a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence. The very scenario activates the intelligence, the general intelligence, and the reflection on programming languages which implicate artificial intelligence. The first being the AIML, which is Artificial Intelligence Markup Language. Then we have IPL as the first language developed for artificial intelligence, which includes features intended to support programs that could perform general problem solving. Then we have Lisp as a practical mathematical notation for computer programs based on calculus. LinkedIn, one of the Lisp language major data structures, also activate. Small talk has been used extensively for simulations, neural networks, machine learning, and generic algorithms. Smalltalk implements the purest and the most elegant form of object-oriented programming using message passing. Then we have Prolog as a declarative language, particularly used for symbolic reasoning, database and language parsing applications. Prolog is widely used in AI today. Then we have Strips as a language for expressing automated planning problem instances. Planner is a hybrid between procedural and logical languages. It provides procedural interpretation to logical sentences. where implications are interpreted with pattern directed inference. Then POP11 is a reflective, incrementally compiled programming language with many features for an interpreted language. R at the same time, the character R, is widely used in new style artificial intelligence involving statistical computations, numeric analysis, and the use of Bayesian inference, neural networks, and in general machine learning. Python, above all, is widely used for artificial intelligence with packages for a number of applications, including general AI, machine language, natural language processing, and neural networks. Then we have Haskell as a very good programming language for AI. Then Wolfram language. Wolfram language includes a wide range of integrated machine learning capabilities, from highly automated functions like predicted classification. Then we have C++, MATLAB, Perl, Julia programming language to follow the list. Let's explore them with learning at our leisure and incorporate the very best use and implementation of artificial intelligence, making computers smarter, human, and reflective on grounds of manipulations. Thank you.